If you have an old kimchi, you can make special kimchi dish everyone loves. You need 8 ingredients as shown on the screen. Wash the old kimchi to remove all the seasoning and cut it into about 3 cm. I will remove root. Next, chop green onions. Adding hot pepper is optional. If you want to add it, chop it into small pieces. Add 1 spoon of perilla oil and half spoon of sugar and mix it well. This step can remove strong sour taste of old kimchi. Put some cooking oil on the pan over medium heat and stir fry garlic first, then green onions. Put 1 spoon of soy sauce on the pan. It will make a little grilled taste and more flavor. Now add our kimchi on the pan and stir it well. Add half sugar that we left before. Add hot pepper for your preference. Now stir fry them with medium heat for about 8 minutes and add some water to not burn it. Now turn off the heat and add 1 spoon of perilla oil again. Mix it well and lastly add some sesame. It's done. Your family will love it.